Hi all, we are discussed about the topic quantum mechanical ensemble theory density matrix. In quantum mechanics, a density matrix is defined as the product of the wave function and its conjugate. The matrix describes the quantum state of a physical system. To solve the quantum mechanical ensemble theory to derive the expression of this density matrix. n ഐഡൻറ്റിക്കൽ സിസ്റ്റംസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു എൻസമ്പിൾ നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ n ഈസ് വെരി ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ 1. ദ സിസ്റ്റത്തിലെ എനർജി ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എന്നുള്ളത് h ക്യാപ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഹാമിൽട്ടോണിയൻ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ. psi k of rt എന്നുള്ളത് നോർമലൈസ്ഡ് വേവ് ഫംഗ്ഷനാണ്, വിച്ച് ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ്സ് ദ ഫിസിക്കൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് kth സിസ്റ്റം. It represents the kth state of the ensemble at time t. ഇതിൽ k എന്നുള്ളത് 1, 2, 3 എക്സെട്ര n വരെയാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ, അതായത് ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സിസ്റ്റം വിച്ച് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ദിസ് എൻസംബിൾ. We have time variation function of Schrödinger equation psi kt. h cap psi kt equal to IH cross dou psi k by dou t. ഇതിൽ ഡോ psi k by dou t എന്നുള്ളതിനെ നമ്മൾ ഒന്ന് റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്, അതായത് IH cross psi dot kt. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 1. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓർത്തോനോമൽ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ phi n. ദ വേവ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ psi kt may be written as psi kt is equal to summation an kt phi n. This is the equation number 2. ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 2-ലെ an kt എന്നുള്ളത് വേവ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് എന്നാണ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഓഫ് വേവ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ, വെർ an kt is equal to integral phi star n psi kt d tau. ഇതിലെ phi star n എന്നുള്ളത് phi n എന്നുള്ള ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ കോംപ്ലക്സ് കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് ആണ്. d tau is the volume element in the coordinate space of given system. Physical state of the kth system can be described equally well in terms of coefficient a and k of t. The time variation of these coefficient will be given by IH cross dou ank by dou t. ഇതിൽ dou ank by dou t എന്നുള്ളതിന് നമ്മളൊന്ന് മാറ്റി എഴുതി IH cross an dot kt which is equal to IH cross integral phi star n psi dot kt d tau. From equation 1, psi dot kt is equal to I by h cross h cap psi kt. ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്പർ 1-ൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു h cap psi kt എന്നുള്ളത് IH cross psi dot kt ആണെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ എന്നാണ് psi dot kt is equal to I by h cross h cap psi kt എന്ന് കിട്ടിയത്. IH cross an dot kt is equal to IH cross integral phi star n 1 by h cross psi kt d tau. h ക്രോസ് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്ത് പോയാൽ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ phi star n h cap psi kt d tau. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പുട്ടിംഗ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് psi ഇൻ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, അതായത് പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി നമ്മൾ ഇക്വേഷനിൽ psiനെ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡിൻ്റെ ടേംസിൽ എഴുതുകയാണ്. അതായത് പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു an kt എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ബിക്കം IH cross an dot kt is equal to integral phi star n h sigma an kt phi m d tau. That is equal to integral phi star n h cap phi m into d tau an kt. ഇതിലെ phi star n h cap phi m എന്നുള്ളത് ഹെർമീഷ്യൻ ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ എച്ച് എൻ എം എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അതായത് നമ്മളത് ഇക്വേഷനിൽ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഐ എച്ച് ക്രോസ് എ എൻ ഡോട്ട് കെ ടി സി ഈക്വൽ ടു എച്ച് എൻ എം എ എൻ കെ ടി. Psi kt represents the total probability amplitude. So we can write as psi n kt is equal to a1 k phi 1 plus a2 k phi 2 plus etc. an k phi n. അതായത് പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ്സിൻ്റെ ടോട്ടലാണ് psi n kt എന്നുള്ളത്. എ എൻ കെ ടി സ്ക്വയർ എന്നുള്ളത് റെപ്രസെൻ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് probability of measurement of kth system to be in state phi n of time t. Value of an kt square എന്നുള്ളത് 1 ആണ്. kക്ക് ഏത് വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്താലും an kt സ്ക്വയർ എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 1 ആയിരിക്കും. Generally, density operator is written with the time function of time. അതായത് rho cap t can be defined as the rho mn t is equal to 1 by n summation limit 1 to n am kt an star kt. The matrix element PMNT is the ensemble average of the quantity AMT, AN star T, which as a rule varies from member to member in the ensemble. ഇതിലെ ഡയഗണൽ എലമെൻ്റ് ആണ് PNN1 എന്നുള്ളത്, which is the ensemble average of the probability ANT square. Rho mn t is equal to 1 by n sigma limit 1 to n an kt square, which is equal to 1 by n sigma an kt square is equal to 1 for all k values, which is equal to 1 by n. ഓരോ ടേംസിനും നമ്മൾ 1 കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 + എക്സെട്ര n ടൈംസ് വരുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് n ആയിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ 1 by n × n is equal to 1. റോ mn of t എന്നുള്ളത് 1 ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റോ mn of t is equal to 1. It means that the equation of motion for the density matrix varying with respect to time. So we need to find this value, that is in next session. Okay.
The equation of motion for the density matrix rho mn means that the equation of motion so that for the density matrix varying with the time. So we can find out the derivative of the rho mn. So we can get a value of this rho mn. So we first want to take the derivative of the density of mn, that is equal to 1 over n summation of k equal to 1 am k of t into an k star of t. So we take the derivation which is equal to 1 by n, then summation k equal to 1 the second function, that is an k star of t into derivative of first function, that is am dot k of t plus the first function, that is am k of t into the derivative of second function, that is an k star of t. So putting the value of an and am of kt, which is equal to be ih rho mn of t. So we can write as 1 over n ih cut into the here an k star, which is equal to 1 over ih cut summation of hml. Here that is the Hermitian function for these two state system M and L. So for this AL of K of t into AN K star of t. Here this function is the am dot K of t. That is here this value. The value of am dot K of t, if we consider the system which is neighbor to the M state, and that is L system which is neighbor to the M state and L state, L system and an K star of t. Similarly, using this equation, we can put the value of comes out to be. So since this is an anti-symmetric wave function, so we can take the value. So we can take the sign here negative. Okay. So we can write it as 1 by IH cut AM K of t into summation H NL star AL star of K of t. So here we done that, we have used the equation of IH cut AN dot K of t, which is equal to summation of Hermitian NM AM K of t. So similarly, in a neighbor which is N, that is L system, by solving this we can get IH cut of dou Mn of t equal to summation HML into 1 over N summation AL of K into T into AN star of K of T minus of 1 over N summation AM K of T into AL star of K of T into HLN. Here we can write the H star of NL is equal to Ln. So we can write that IH cut dou Mn of t, which is equal to summation of HML. Here this is the density operator. So we can written as density of Ln, and this term is we can written as summation of density ml H of Ln. So here by solving this we can written as H operator. So we can write the operator H operator rho, that is density operator of two system of M and N minus of rho operator H operator of Mn, which is equal to H operator density operator minus density operator into H operator of Mn. So here we conclude that the density overall, the whole sample is constant. So that the equation is become IH cut rho, which is equal to H operator into density operator. So we can write that this is the quantum analogy of Liouville's equation. So that we can write this unit is number 1. It means that the system is to be state of equilibrium and the corresponding symbol must be naturally stationary. That means the density Mn is equal to 0. It tells that from this equation the density operator rho, which is explicit for the function of Hermitian, and the Hermitian which does not depends on time. So for the basic function, of phi n and the eigenfunction of Hermitian itself, then the matrix of H and rho must be diagonal. So we can written as H into phi n is equal to En phi n. That means here En is equal to eigenvalue and phi n is equal to eigenfunction. Okay, so we can written as h of mn is equal to phi of m into h phi n, which is equal to phi m into en phi n. That is, we can written as en here, and phi m into phi n, which is equal to h of mn is equal to en rho mn. Here the rho mn, here the delta is known as the chronicle delta function. This equation is the energy representation of the symmetric wave function. Here also we can get the another equation, that is rho mn is equal density of mn. The density of mn, which is equal to the second function of rho n into chronicle delta function. This it represents the density. So this equation is density representation. So here it means that the statical equilibrium, the tendency of the physical system should be switched from one state to another. It must be balanced by the equality between the same state. So from this we can find out the expectation value of any physical operator. So before that we want to study some direct notations. That is, we can return the phi n, which is called, or n which is called ket, and here this is called as Bragg. We can write the phi m and phi n is equal to dou n. We can return it as like that. Here the identical operator of h, which is equal to any operator, which is acting on this physical operator a. So we can return as summation of phi n into a operator into summation of phi m into phi n. Here this is identical operator. So the value of the physical parameter operator of G is become expectation of G equal to 1 over n summation of k equal to 1 to n psi k star of G operator psi of k dt. Here we can return as psi of kt equal to summation of am of k phi m, and also we can return as the value of psi of k star has summation of an k star phi n. So putting these equations in this equation, so we can write as the expectation value of G, which is equal to 1 over n summation k equal to 1 to n into summation of an k star of phi n star into G operator and summation of am k of phi m dt. Here the am is the amplitude. Okay, then we can return as the expectation of G equal to 1 over n summation of k equal to 1 to n summation of an k star of am k integral of phi n star into G operator phi m dt. Here this is the density function and this one is the Hermitian operator. So we can return as the expectation G is equal to summation of density function, that is density of mn into the Hermitian operator, that is G of n. So we can return as the expectation G is equal to summation of rho operator G operator of mn, which is equal to trace of rho operator and G operator. So the maximum value of G is equal to 1. Therefore, the 1 is equal to trace of rho G, which is equal to trace of rho. The value of G is equal to 1, then the trace of rho into 1, that is equal to trace of rho. It means that the trace value here is the sum of values of this density. Then the function psi of k not normalized, then the operator G can be returned as the average value of G is equal to trace of rho G over trace of rho. It represents the trace is the sum of diagonal of this matrix, and this density, the physical parameter of all density operator is represented in terms of energies and density, energy functions and density.